Welcome. In front of me is a TOSCIDO X109 and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this tablet through recovery mode. So to get started, you will want to power it off. Now actually, before I do this, I'll mention that if you have some kind of screen lock set on your device, this will also remove it. I don't have one, but obviously it will work the same way. So you'd hold power key, no matter if the device is locked or unlocked. Select power off. When it turns off, you will hold power key and volume up at the same time. When you see the boot mode, you will use only volume up to navigate in order to have the first option selected, which is recovery mode. So you can just press volume up repeatedly till you see that arrow snap back to the top, then press volume down to confirm it. When you see the Android root now command, hold power key, press volume up, and you should be in recovery mode, where you will find the wipe data factory reset option. Now, using both of the volume keys to navigate up and down, you'll want to select that option. Confirm it with power key. Select factory data reset the same way. As you can see, it will give us formatting data, and then next thing you should see is data wipe complete, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default. So all you will need to do is press that power key once again to confirm it. There we go. So let's press power key now, and from here everything is going to be going on autopilot till the entire factory reset has been finished. Now once it is, we will be greeted with the actual Android fully set up and ready to go. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.